Well, it's been a few weeks since we checked in at Place of Hope, so I'm here at the Rinker Center to see how it's all going. I noticed that they put in some beautiful landscaping, some palm trees, which is amazing. I'm going to meet up with Joseph inside, our interior decorator, see how everything is coming along. So let's check it out. With all the design elements in place and the furniture ordered, we get started on installing the light fixtures in all 3 rooms, generously donated by Eric Liebersfeld and his team at Capital Lighting right here in South Florida.
The project held a lot of appeal for us since our mission at Capital Lighting is making lives brighter. So we always look for opportunities where we can partner with community members doing that in a different way. And we work with wonderful suppliers. We have great products that illuminate spaces in a unique way, and this looks like a great opportunity for us to merge our mission with Place of Hope's. The exciting room for us is the kitchen. That was a really unique use of the LED vintage bulbs from a wonderful manufacturer called Brightens. Now, the great thing about these lights is you can let your imagination go to work. The bulbs have, there's 3 different bulbs that we've interspaced in a way so it's very creative. You can hang each arm at a different length or a different height, so you can play with it as it's being hung so that it creates a unique space that's only for you.
So my crazy idea worked out?
You're not as crazy as I thought. They're not glary at all, they're just fun.
These are LED bulbs, right?
They are.
So they don't produce a lot of heat.
Very little heat, they're only 4 watts.
Wow.
In the nursery, Joseph's underwater theme was represented by 9 spherical fixtures.
So they're made from different materials, a lot of earthy materials, and it's going to go with that whole nautical theme, so they can look like bubbles. They sort of are reminiscent of a sea of jellyfish. It's just a fantastic space.
Some lamps and a simple yet elegant metal and wood fixture blend perfectly in the library space. And actually, like, it all ties together. It even matches the chairs.
Yep.
Like that. I mean, Joseph just did such a good job.
It's very transitional. It can go into sort of a farmhouse all the way up to
totally.
a transitional home.
As the finishing touches are being put on the rec center, Place of Hope CEO Charles Bender stops by to check on the progress.
Wow!
Aren't these lights amazing?
Oh, this is awesome, man.
I love
Look at this. I think this is what we were talking about with dignity for kids. I mean, you can give them, a place to do their homework. You can give them a place to get tutored. But when you give them a place that's bright and cheery and fun, it's, who's not going to get excited about that? And to your point, you don't often see this in foster care environments.
No.
But you should.
No, I mean,
you should.
This is nicer than my house.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't have anything cool like this.
I want Capital Lighting to come to my house.
Hey, Eric, how are you? Thanks so much, man.
Hey, this is pretty incredible.
Did she tell you that today when I saw it for the first time, it was a big surprise for me? Like,
The
I
lights.
walked in there, I didn't see any of them.
Oh, the lights came out beautiful.
You can create a space for the functional side of what we do where kids can sit and learn and pull up a chair. How much more are they going to want to do that when they're in a bright arena like that, a place that just, shouts home and fun and brightness. And so it's really going to go a long way in our kids' lives.
And how excited are you for the big day, the big reveal?
I'm excited because, as you saw my face when I walked in there, we're going to see a few hundred people do the exact same thing. I know they're just going to turn that corner, and for the first room, they're going to see that, they're going to be blown away. Then they're going to turn around and go into the other room where we went, same exact thing. I think they're going to be blown away.